Good day to everyone. Now we have to teach you how to repair a trottinette Dualtron Raptor 2, and there is no power on this trottinette, and we have to check what is the cause of this problem, and we have to open the cover, remove the bolts and nuts, washers. There's no nuts, but there's washers. Slowly removing this cover and separate those washers and bolts so that it cannot be misplaced in your repairing area. This Raptor, Dualtron Raptor 2 is a very nice kind of trottinette, as long as my experience by using this, but there's a problem when I use this because I use this week. It is a rainy season. I think that it's all grounded inside, but we have to check it why there's no power. I saw bolts that is not really tight. Maybe this is the problem why it is no power inside, no power in the switch. Maybe something wrong in the connection inside. We have to check, and you have to turn it in the bottom to remove the bolt, the holder of the controller, and you have to pull it out in the top area so that you can pull the controller outside. Doing like this, you have to be very careful because there is a lot of small wires. Might be you can accidentally cut or fold it up. This is a aluminum controller chassis that mounted in the base of this or case of this trottinette. It is really fitted installation of this controller, and that's it. It's already almost folded out, and you have to also check the proper place of those wires so that you can return it easily when you already finish. Oh, there's a lot of corrosion or rust. Maybe there is water inside, and we have to look it up and check it very well. Oh, there is a lot of corrosion, like a this controller also have a fish coolant or fish cooler that is I want to remove also. It is like a vent. Look at inside. We have, oh, this is the passage of the water maybe. Maybe this is not too tight. Or installation of these bolts. Maybe that is a passage of the water. Why there is a rust in the bolts. We have to remove the battery. I have to remove the battery. Now I found the easy way how to remove it. Okay, almost removed. That's it. Almost pulled it out. There's no proper type maybe of these bolts. That is why the water passes this way. Okay, I removed already the battery. Oh, there is a lot of moist, not moist, but water. There is a water, a lot. There's a lot of water inside. We have to clean it. I have my paper towel, clean it very well. But maybe it's better to dry it first before returning it back. I have my hair dryer. I have to use it later to dry this area. This is maybe the cause why there's a lot of water going inside by these bolts not properly tightened. When I modified this base posted step base of my trottinette, I modify a lot of washers. Supposed to be the original is mounted without washers so that I cannot be slip on this put step top of this. Based on the trottinette. Oh, we have to check this connector. There is cut wire. So this is the cause. I have already cut the other one, the other side, so that I can put this wire back again. Not to be connected in this connector already. I have to connect it directly to this portion. I use these small wires I already cut, then soldered it properly. Okay, we have to solder. Oh, I have to clean it first, all the connector, and solder it. Sorry, I have to cut videos I already soldered the other portion, and the other portion I have to connect it properly. I have to make it past this video because it's too long enough for making this video. It's very hard to hold with my two fingers, but trying to do something with this portion. Maybe this soldering lead is not enough. Okay, it's already soldered. Set. Return it back. I have my insulator. The heated insulator can be fitted back again. I have to clean the excess wire so that I can put it back very well. That's it. And heated with my soldering iron. No, this is soldering gun. I forgot to say that this is a soldering gun. Okay, that's the way I want to do properly on this insulator. Now it back to normal. You have to see if it is effective and accurate, but we have to check. I have to check all the corrosion of the connector. Yes, there's a lot of rust, watery rust. Clean it by paper towel, or if you have a brush, paint brush, toothbrush, you can clean it by brushing these connectors so that there's no problem in the future. Now we have to connect it back like that. Check it. Okay, it's good. Put it in the right way so that it's not so very bad to see, or the connector are arranged. Okay, check it. Let us say if there is already a power. You have to switch on the switch back on and off, because maybe something wrong on this switch also. There's a lot of moisture maybe. Oh yes. Oh, but the power is losing. Oh, okay, it's lighting now. Maybe something wrong with inside again. We have to check. Maybe removing back and turning back again to grind this connection inside. There is a lot of corrosion, maybe like that. Push it back, pull it and back to grind the connections. Now we have to check it back if There is a power, nothing. Oh yes, maybe something wrong in the switch. We have to check the switch, turn on and off, turn and off, on and off, so that the switch can be working again. Like this, pull it back, turn it back, pull it, turn it back, grind it by push by doing this. And we have to check it again and try and try. Okay. Oh yes, it's working now. We got it. Now we can have the test in off-road. It's a long run again. Okay. It's working now. Okay. Good idea. I think it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay. That's it. And thanks for watching.